Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equal to 39 to find the values of x. In the first step, we write this equation. In here we have 2 to the power of x plus, in here we can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2 and to the power of x, and this 8 is 2 to the power of 3 and to the power of x is equal to 39. And from exponential rule, if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, we can write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So, in here, we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x. And we can write this as 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. And plus, in here, we can write this as 2 to the power of x and to the power of 3 is equal to 39. And next step, let 2 to the power of x as u. So, we rewrite this equation, and it will be, in here we have 2 to the power of x to the power of 3, and it will be u cube plus, in here we have u square, and here we have u, and in here we take this 39 to this side, and it will be negative 39 is equal to 0. And in next step, it will be u cube plus u square plus u, and here we write this negative 39 as negative 27 minus 12 is equal to 0. And next step, we take this and this together, and this and this together. So it will be u cube minus 27, and we can write 27 as 3 to the power of 3, and plus, in here, u square plus u minus 12, and here we can write this u as negative 3u plus 4u, right? This is equal to positive u, and minus 12 is equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and it will be u minus 3 times u square plus 3u and plus 9, right? And for this part, in here we take this together and these two parts together. And here we factor u, and in here it will be u minus 3, and for these two parts we factor 4, and it will be this divided by 4, it will be u, and negative 12 divided by 4, it will be negative 3 is equal to 0. And it will be, in here, u minus 3 times u square plus 3u plus 9, and in here we factor u minus 3, right? U minus 3 is common, so we factor u minus 3, and for this part it will be u, and for this part it will be 4 is equal to 0. And in here u minus 3 is common, so we factor u minus 3, and for this part we have u square plus 3u plus 9, and for this part we have u plus 4 is equal to 0, and it will be u minus 3 times u square plus 3u plus u, it will be 4u, and 9 plus 4, it will be 13 is equal to 0. And here u minus 3 is equal to 0, and u square plus 4u plus 13 is equal to 0. So from here, u is equal to 3. And here we have quadratic equation, and we write the discriminant formula. It will be b square minus 4ac. And discriminant in here is b square. b is 4, so it will be 16 minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, and times c is 13. 4 times 13, it will be 52, and it will be negative 36. And negative 36 is less than 0, so the discriminant is less than 0, so in here we have no real solution, and we reject this, and we continue by this u is equal to 3. In next step, we recall this u is equal to 2 to power of x. So in here, u is equal to 2 to power of x, and from here u is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 2 to power of x. And next step, we apply log of base 2 to both sides of this equation. So it will be log of 3 to base 2 is equal to log of, for this, 2 to power of x to base 2. And it will be log of 3 to base 2 is equal to, from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b to base c, this is equal to b times log of a to base c. So in here, this is equal to x times log of 2 to base 2. And log of 2 to base 2 is 1, so x is equal to log of 3 to base 2. And to find the value of x from exponential rule, if we have log of a to base b, this is equal to log of a over log of b. So in here, we can write this x is equal to log of 3 over log of 2. And log of 3 is 0.4771, and log of 2 is 0.3010, and this is equal to 1.5849. And this is our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.